Migration. It happens so much, so very often. But what exactly is migration? To simply put it, migration is the movement of something from one place to another, to settle down permanently or temporarily. There are many different reasons as to why people migrate, but all these fall under three categories: for safety reasons, economic reasons, and at last for personal reasons. Most people think that migrants only seek happiness, but is that actually true? With that said, our hypothesis is, do migrants only migrate to seek happiness? Is there more to the story? That's what we're going to find out in this documentary. One of the countries that brings a lot of migrants is Iraq. A lot of refugees seem to be from Iraq because of the dangerous wars that go on in Iraq. In the past 30 years, the number of refugees from Iraq has been growing over time. This is all because of the latest Iraq war that has been going on for about 17 years now. In the northern part of Iraq lies South Kurdistan. Iraq Kurdistan is the most important minority for the other neighboring countries because of the oil field in Kirkuk. ISK is an organization that is spread throughout the Netherlands. This organization was created for refugees between 12 and 18 that have been living in the Netherlands for less than 2 years. They help these children understand the language, the Dutch language, so later they can go to college and get a job without the struggles of understanding the language. After 2 years on the ISK, students can choose any follow-up education. In discussion with their parents, the school gives an advice on which level the student should seek further education. For our interview, we asked a student from ISK if we could meet with her so she could talk about her own experiences and why exactly she migrated.
Dan mijn eigen land. Ja. Wanneer ben je in Nederland? In 31 december 2018. Hoe vind je het hier? Ik vind het leuk. En ja, toen mijn vader zegt tegen mij, wij gaan naar Nederland wonen en wij gaan niet meer in onze eigen land wonen. Dat vind ik echt prachtig. Ja, want dat had ik nooit Nederland gezien. En, ja. Ik kan me niet voorstellen als je dan uit eigen land weggaat. Dat je dan eigenlijk alles weggaat. Als je huis en ook al mijn grote familie. Ja. Hoe vond je dat? Dat vond ik best wel lastig, want ja, mijn laatste dag in mijn eigen land en met mijn vriendinnen en met mijn familie was echt ene dag dat ik nooit vergeet kan worden. Ja. En spreek je ze nog wel eens tussen familie en vriendinnen? Ja, en ook mijn opa.
We started this documentary with a hypothesis: do migrants only migrate to seek happiness? In conclusion with this documentary, we found out that migrants are certainly not just looking for happiness. This family migrated because of health issues from their family member. It shows that they didn't just migrate to seek a better life, but rather to save a life. With that said, this was our documentary.